Alright guys, welcome to another video. This video is for the Fan Man 2009 and anybody else who's interested in the fans, especially this Lasko WeatherShield, that shields from the weather. Wow. So yeah, I mentioned this in another video, but you were asking about it, and I have it. Well, it's not mine, but it's my uncle's. Well, it's now my cousin's since my uncle passed, but anyway, it's Lasko WeatherShield in like black grayish color. There's the front. Show you the side. Here's the side. I like the handle. It looks like it's more durable, but I might be wrong. And here's the back. Yeah, wow. I really like the front shroud design. I think that's kind of smart, I think. They should have made the same thing with the back. They kind of did, but they could have done it a little bit more to match the other one, to make like a wind tunnel. Because you remember they call one fan a wind tunnel. I don't know which one that was, but yeah. So let's turn it back around. Still works. It's used quite a bit. And here is the handle here, weather shield. Some precautions. You can turn the lights, so you can, oh there we go, you can see that better. Here's the 3 speeds, here's the thermostat. Knob's kind of small though. This is from 2017. I bought this from my uncle. Originally from my uncle, but he passed in like 2019, unfortunately, so yeah. But yeah, this is how it looks now. We're gonna obviously run it on 3 speeds and demonstrate to you the thermostat. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's start with, I guess we start with low. Low is pretty quiet. It definitely moves more air than the 37, 33, I think. I think these blades are a bit tougher. Or thicker. Really good fan. I would sleep with this one on. With low speed, probably. Here is the back look. Alright, let's go to medium. Now, medium sounds like a Lasko 3733 on low. Not gonna lie. I could be wrong though. Alright, let's go to high. Typical high-speed Lasko fan sound. It flows a decent amount of air. I can't complain, but it's not an air circulator. Alright, here's off with a spin down time. Very nice. And yes, I'm going to demo the thermostat, so I'll do a low speed because I like low speed. So I'm going to turn on low first. You can see the light came on. Now, I don't know how accurate the thermostat is, but I'm sure it works, but maybe not as accurate as a digital one. It would be nice if Lasko could make a digital version of thermostat, like a temperature probe somewhere, you know, around the fan or something. Maybe. Alright, let's turn it back on. Here's the light. There it goes. Alright, now I'm going to demonstrate it again without the flash. Light came on. I'm sorry, the camera can't focus now. Focus. Bruh. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna turn it again. Alright, now I'm gonna move on to startup sound, so you can hear the startup sound on low, medium, and high. So let's go ahead and do that for you guys before I end the video. Alright, so here's startup sound on low. Okay, not really much of a startup sound, but I'll just share with it anyway. Here's medium. Just a second, wait for it to stop. Sorry about the screaming, guys. There's kids in the background. Alright, here's medium. And finally, here's high. Wait for it to stop spinning. Yes, it's got its feet, by the way. And it's got the blue plug. Black cord, blue plug, you know, usual stuff. Alright, here's high. Oh, hold on. Oh, I already did high. Okay, never mind. Never mind. There you go. That was low, medium, and high. Alright. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you in the next video. And there you go, the Fan Man 2009. Comment down below what you and anybody else thinks of watching this video. So yeah. I like this fan. I think it's better than the 3733. So I will do another video for startup sound in case I messed up. Alright, so see you guys. Bye.